No one likes to run out of cash, di ba? So, na-expect mo na may pambili ka pa ng yung mga kakailanganin, kailangan mo pa ng mga supplies, mga materials, but then wala ka ng cash. Ano ang gagawin mo? Of course, mangungutang ka. Pero, iba na yung prepared. Yung hindi ka pa uutang, dati mo na silang sinabihan na on this month, on this quarter, ay pautangan nyo ako, parang awan nyo na. Kapag pumayag yung lender, yung bangko, then you have a line of credit. Okay? So, there's a scenario here na global recession, no? Pang buong mundo yan. Nangyari ito noong 2007, 2009. Hindi ko alam kung pinanganak na kayo noon. Yan. That time, may college ako noon, no, 2007. So, both households and business face economic hardships. Among the hottest innovations to emerge during the recession were websites that enable users to get a snapshot of their financial data, including checking accounts, investment statements, and loans, and to create budgets. Yan. To manage their spending and saving. Yan. So, pwede pa rin kayong, ito try nyo daw, mint.com was one of the websites. At in 2009 naman, itong Intuit, no, yung gumawa ng Quicken and TurboTax product recognized the growing popularity of financial websites and acquired mint.com for 170 million. Actually, itong Intuit, sila din yung nag-develop ng QuickBooks. So, in-acquire pala nila yung mint.com sa 170 million, ng 170 million dollars. Kaya, ma-integrate na kahit sa Quicken, TurboTax products, or sa QuickBooks ang budgeting. So, we all need budgets. Okay? We need budgets. Kung walang budget, mahirap para sa mga managers and employees to know whether they run on target, they are on target para sa kanilang growth and spending goals, no? Kasi ang budget ay siya yung magiging measure of standard, no? Pag ginagamit mo sa measurement ng tangkad mo ay centimeters, diba? Sa mga baywang ninyo in your waist ay tape measure ba? Ang budget naman ay pang measure ng spending mo, savings mo, profit mo, no? Yan. Like Citigroup, yun. So, ito financing institution, no? Meron silang big financial losses after the bursting of the house bubble in the mid-2000. Meron din si Walmart, retailer ito, no? Ay slim ang kanyang profit margin. Kaya nga nakakagulat minsan na may mga gumagawa ng feasibility studies nila, retailing at ang taas-taas ng kanilang profit margin, no? Seems impossible or sometimes unrealistic. Kasi pagka mga ganyan na retailers, konti lang ang profit margin. Okay, profitable computer companies sa as Apple, meron silang binebenta na high dollar value goods. And then, kung gusto naman kay Ritz-Carlton Hotel, no? High dollar value services. Yan. So, itong scrimping at the Ritz Hotel, Ritz-Carlton, no? I hope makapunta tayo later on dyan. Matulog man lang ng kahit ilang mga gabi and enjoy yung kanilang services and food. Okay? Behind the scenes ng luxurious surroundings, sumptuous surroundings ay may cost control and budgets, no? Huwag niyong isipin class na yung mga luxurian na mga hotels, mga trip ay everything ay splurging lang sa kanila. Hindi, lahat ng ating mga binabayad sa kanila, computed yan para sila din ay kikita. Okay? Performance focus, no? Sila yung in charge na yung manager and controller. Okay? Nagabahin pa ako. Okay? So, meron silang mga forecast, meron silang mga budget. Okay? May annual yan. Okay, na preparation. Kahit ng gobyerno nating class, di ba? Kapag budget ng 2026, ginagawa na yan actually kahit mga June nag-start na, no? Kasagsagan na kapag mga September. Okay, pino-forecast nila yung revenue nila, including hotel rooms, convention, weddings, meeting facilities, merchandise, and food and beverages sales. Okay? So, tinitignan nila kasi yung input about cost. Then, meron tayong tinatawag na standard cost. Yan yung budget na yan. Based on cost per occupied room are used to build budget for guest room stays. Okay? Standard cost. Yan na yung ina-expect natin na magastos, no? Then, other standard costs are used to calculate cost for meeting rooms and food and beverages. And then, the completed budgets are sent to corporate headquarters, and hotels' actual performance each month is monitored against approved budget. So, yung budget ay nagagamit mo rin pang-monitor ng performance, no? Nag-budget ka ng 5,000 for 1 month para sa yung, halimbawa, groceries. And then, paano kung 2 weeks pa lang, naubos na yung 5,000. So, sa personal mong buhay, alam mo na you are running out of budget, no? Ng 2 weeks, okay? So, in real life, ay ang budget ay pwedeng simple lang, no? Application. And then, pwede rin yan na humantong hanggang sa corporate na scenario katulad ng Ritz-Carlton, no? Okay, budgeting is a critical function in an organization's decision-making process. Okay? Katulad din ng Southwest Airlines, yan. Ang kwan nila diyan, siyempre aeroplano yan, fluctuating fuel cost. Lalo na ngayon na nagkakaroon ng war, no, sa Ukraine and Russia. So, nagkakaproblema sa Europe. Then ngayon ay Iran, no? Isang largest producer yan ng oil. Oil, no? Oil. Kakaaway sila ng US again. And of course, Israel. Yan. Gaza. Yung mga Middle East countries nagkakaroon ng problema. So we expect na yung fuel cost ay hindi na naman predictable. Okay? So, budget helps managers communicate direction and goal. Kasi ang budget class ay plan yan. It's a plan, no? Stated in monetary terms. Kaya, yan, i-communicate yung direction and goals to different departments of a company to help them coordinate the actions they must pursue to satisfy customers and succeed in the marketplace. And then next is to judge performance, no? Yung mga assigned sa bawat department, bawat segment. Okay? Including, syempre, yung na-meet ba nila yung timeline nila, at kung meron bang potential problems. And eventually, okay, kung nabit mo yung budget mo, you will be given rewards, no, or bonuses, stock options. Pero siyempre kung di mo nabit, ay pwede kang mawalan ng bonus, ma-demote, no? Okay? So, ganyan ka-importante ang budget. And then there is something here na old adage, no, or kasabihan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Okay, ano bang ginagawa nyo? Paano ba kayo nagpaplano ngayon para maipasa nyo ang strat cost or maka-achieve ng line of 9? If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail the class. Yun. Kakatakot naman. Okay? So we have the budgets and the budgeting cycle. A budget is a quantitative expression of a proposed plan of action by management for a specified period and an aid to coordinate what needs to be done to implement that plan. Okay? So may sa budget natin ay may financial aspect, meron ding non-financial aspect. Okay? And it's a blueprint. Kung sa construction may blueprint ang mga building, sa atin naman sa business may blueprint naman yung mangyayari sa ating income statement, sa ating balance sheet. Yun. Okay? Including syempre yung cash flow mo and your equity kung affected sila, di ba? So kapag kawan naman, strategic plans and operating plans, anong pinagkaiba? Kapag strategic, mas mahabang panahon. Okay? Long term yung tinitignan mo, hindi lang sa ngayon or bukas. Kapag operating plans, ito yung mga day-to-day lang, no? So, shorter ang coverage niya kapag operating plan. Okay? Yan. So, ano bang strategy? Strategy specifies how an organization matches its capabilities with the opportunities in the marketplace to accomplish its objectives. So, kung meron kang balak ma-achieve, no? Ano bang paraan? Okay, ano bang gagawin mo? You can craft your strategy. Kung gusto mo maging CPA, ano ba yung strategy mo? Okay, you better consider that. Magiging part ba ng strategy mo yung mag-champion ka araw-araw sa COD? I don't know, no? Kung magiging effective yan. Or lagi ka lang nag-scroll sa Facebook. Ganon. I don't think so. Okay, so tanungin mo ang sarili mo, what are your objectives? How do we create value for our customers while distinguishing ourselves from our competitors? Are the markets for our products local, regional, national, or global? So, tingnan mo yung market mo, no? Economy, industry as a whole. And then, what organizational and financial structure serves us best? And the risk and opportunities of alternative strategies. What are our contingency plans if our preferred plan fails? So, meron ka bang plan A, plan B, plan C? Ganun, no? So, binanggit dito yung Home Depot. Strategy niya is providing quality products or services at a low price. Ayan. Mataas yung quality, pero yung price niya ay affordable. Halimbawa naman itong Porsche, no? Luxury brand ito ng sasakyan. Unique product naman kasi o service, no? So, mas higher yung kanilang pricing. So, matagal bago ka makakuha. I think itong luxury cars, lalo yung Bugatti, you may wait until 1 year yata kapag nag-order ka bago ka makakuha ulit ng Bugatti. And the easiest one to have is if you already have one Bugatti, no? Mas mahirap daw magkaroon ng luxury car kahit meron kang pera kung wala ka pa dating luxury car. Moreover, kung may mga records ka sa LTO, no, may mga aksidente ka, bumangga ka, mahirap kang bilhan ng luxury car because you are actually the brand ambassador. Okay, punta naman tayo sa Boeing. Ito naman gumagawa ng eroplano. Okay. Illustrates, no, yung paggawa nila ng Boeing 747-8, no? Marami actually 747, meron ding Boeing 747 MAX, ano, di ba? How budgets can help managers rework their operating. Okay. Boeing believed that utilizing some of the design concept it was implementing in its 787 Dreamliner program would be relatively inexpensive way to reconfigure its 747-8 jet. However, continued cost overruns, no, and delays undermined that strategy. Sa 2012, yung kanilang 747-8 program was already 2 billion over budget and a year behind schedule. Okay, ang laki na ng cost. And then, yung mga nag-order ng aeroplano, 1 year na silang na behind. So, anong nangyari? As a result, the company expected to earn no profit. Grabe, no? No profit, tandaan niya na. No profit on any of the more than 100 orders for the 747-8 planes it had on its books. So, i-comply na lang nila yung contract, no? Contract to sell, pero wala silang expectation na profit. Kaya ang hirap din mag-business class, no? Minsan, bawi ka na lang sa ibang mga product or pagkakataon. And with the budget revealing higher than expected costs in design, rework, and production, Boeing postponed production plans for the 747-8 program. Okay? So we have your strategy and Kailangan mong i-jive yan sa long run planning, strategic plans yan. And of course, yung long run plan must coincide with short run planning, operation plan, or operating plans para magkaroon ka ng short run budgets at meron ding long run budgets. Okay? So, budgeting cycle and the master budget cycle. Kailan ba magbabudget? Kung bukas na ba ang operation, saka pa lang mag-budget? Usually, yan. Before the start of the fiscal year, managers at all levels take into account the company's past performance, market feedback, and anticipated future changes to initiate plans for the next period. Okay? So, pwedeng maging start ng budget mo yung nakaraan na performance, no? Magkano ba ang sales nung nakaraan? 100,000 units. O yan, baka balak mong dagdagan yan, gawin mo 120, no? E paano kung merong recession, walang masyadong bumili kasi walang kapera para mga tao, ibaba mo ng less than, no? Maging 80,000, ganun. Okay? At pwede rin naman baka lang kulang sa promotion, so gawa ka ng maraming strategy to advertise. Okay? Managers and management accountants work together to develop plans for the company as a whole and the performance of its subunits, such as departments or division. Okay? And at the beginning of the fiscal year, senior managers give subordinate managers a frame of reference, a set of specific financial or non-financial expectation against which will compare actual results. Nung nagtrabaho ako sa trading, no? Trading ng mga duplicators and their spare parts and supplies, meron kaming target yan class na ilan ba ang mabebenta namin na machines, no? Mga duplicators. At ilan na spare parts or magkano spare parts and supplies. So kung mabit namin yon, meron kaming bonus. Kung hindi namin mabit, usually ang nagpapaliwanag, our manager has to justify bakit hindi namin na-meet yung target. Wala kaming bonus, walang additional na reward sa aming team. Ganon. So, yun ang karaniwang ganyan, no? Frame of reference. And then, during the course of the year, no? Kasalukuyan na, management accountant helps managers investigate any deviations from the plans, no? Meron bang not going according to plan? Yan yung deviation. Unexpected decline in sales, no? Halimbawa, in-expect mo na nakabenta ka na ngayon ng e-bike na 500 units kasi matatapos na ang first quarter. E paano kung 200 units lang nabenta mo? Ano kayang dahilan? Ay, may lumabas kasi na bagong kalaban, no? Mas magandang e-bike. So, you have to do something. Okay? Baka pwede mo namang dagdagan ng product features. Lagyan mo ng paglagyan nila ng groceries nila para ma-attract silang bilhin yung e-bike mo. Or baka naman mataas masyado yung price, you have to reduce. Or you have to cut costs to maintain profitability. Okay? And then, yan yung tinatawag nating ongoing budget-related processes, no? You can always adjust your budget or tatawag dyan ay fine-tune your budget as you operate, no? As you produce your products or as you do your business. At ang tawag dyan, no, ay master budget. The working document at the core of this process is called the master budget. It expresses the management operating and financial plans for a specified period, usually a fiscal year. And it includes a set of budgeted financial statements. Yan. So, magsisimula ka sa sales, hanggang sa umabot ka sa FS, hanggang parang cash to cash yan. Okay? Mula sa paggastos mo ng cash hanggang mabawi mo yung cash at hopefully mas malaki ang cash na bumalik. Okay? So, tayo, no? Advantages and challenges of implementing budgets ay given na rin dito, no? Up to you to read, no? Promote coordination, framework for judging performance, and motivate managers and other employees. Yan. So, ano bang nagagawa ng budget? It's coordination, no? Coordination is matching and balancing all aspects of production or service and all departments in a company in the best way for the company to meet its goals. Yan. Communication is making sure all employees understand those goals. So, hindi enough na alam mo na at mayroon ng budget, ay okay na, no? As a manager, you need to always remind your employees, your staff, that this is what to be done, no? Kaya nga sa accounting, meron ding tinatawag na reporting, di ba? Hindi dahil alam mo na yung journal entries, nag-posting ka na, nag-trial balance, gumawa ka ng FS, and then sinabi mo, tapos na. Hindi, no? You have your FS, you have to explain, you have to report. Kaya mag-practice ka ding mag-istorya, no? Huwag mong laging ilaban na the numbers speaks for themselves, no? I-explain mo na para hindi na sila mahirapan. Kung may tanong pa sila, sagutin mo na rin. Okay? Okay, so may mga challenges, ganyan. But we go now to the development of an operating budget. Yan. Budgets are typically developed for a set period. Pwedeng isang buwan, 1 quarter, or a year. At pwede mo pang i-subdivide yan sa ilang periods, no? Kagaya pagka 12-month cash budget, pwede mong gawin yan na monthly. Okay? Kaya magiging 12. Para may cash inflow and outflow ka every month. Yan. Time coverage of budgets. Yan. So, gaano ba katagal yung isang kagaya dito, no? Yung mga mahilig sa motor. Ito, actually, mahilig din ako sa motor. Pero ngayon, tricycle na lang kasi ang dinadrive ko, no? Yan. Pero why not kung magkaroon tayo ng Harley, Harley Davidson 500cc, ikarera mo sa NLEX, huwag ka lang matikitan, no? At mag-ingat kasi siyempre ang motor ay delikado. It's ay sinasabi na flying coffin daw yan. Okay? So kung if the purpose of is to budget for the total profitability of this new model, a 5-year period, tingnan nyo or more may be suitable and long enough to cover the product from design to manufacturing, sales, and after-sales support. Yan. Kasi magsimula yan sa R&D. Okay? And then pag may prototype na, gagawin nyo, testing sa market kung magustuhan nila, and then full-blown ka na mag-produce, then magbenta. Hindi lang kapag nabenta mo tapos na, meron ding after-sales, yung meron kang warranty, di ba? Yung kagaya ng washing machine namin, nakalagay doon sa kanyang harapan, no? 5-year warranty on motor. O, kalain mo yon. Kahit masira ko yung kanyang motor ng within 4 years or within 5 years at hindi ko naman sinasabi na sinobrahan ko yung paggamit, no? May funding kasi yan, may terms din yan, no? They will replace yung motor niya or they will tell us na ay matibay yan, kaya niyang mag-last hanggang 5 years. Ano? Pero kapag budgeting for a seasonal theater production, may mga palabas, ganyan, at expected to run for a few months, yan ay igsihan mo lang, 6-month period lang, hindi ka abutin ng taon. Okay? Pero most frequently, okay, pag tinanong kayo, ano ba ang budget usually ay within 1 year, okay? 12-month period. At pwede mong i-subdivide yan into quarters and months. Yan. Okay? So, yan ang kapag tinanong kanila, ano ba yung most frequent na haba o gaano ba katagal yung isang budget? Usually, 1 year yung coverage. Okay? 1 year. Then, meron din tayong tinatawag na rolling budget. Yan yung hindi na uubos. Okay? Pag natapos yung isang buwan or isang taon, gagawin mo na naman yung dugtong niya na budget. Okay? Kaya tinatawag na rolling. Hindi maubos yan. Okay? Yan ang tinatawag nilang may forever, no? Sa budgeting. Yan.